Welcome back to my channel, guys. Today I'm making pigs in a blanket. These are super delicious, super easy, and super fast to make. The ingredients that you will need are wieners, flour, butter, and salt. Any type of hot dog will work. The first step to making delicious homemade pigs in a blanket is making your dough. After making your dough, you're going to want to slice it into thin slices so that you can roll each wiener dog into it and make the perfect little pig in a blanket. So similar to making egg rolls, you want to add a little bit of butter, or for egg rolls you kind of use egg, but it's the same technique. This is just to make sure that the dough sticks together and it kind of stays put. So make sure you do this for each one. It's super easy and simple. So once you're finished, you're just going to place it in the oven. It doesn't really matter what time you use, probably about 350 is average. Let it cook until the dough is done, and here you have beautiful pigs in a blanket. Super easy, super fast. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like and don't forget to subscribe. I will see you guys in my next one.